Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 37 class filter based on join table and delete one click alert in Laravel 12. And this tuition class is in Laravel 12 and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related services to please 919941599815 anytime. Contact WhatsApp and call. This number is always available. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started, Apache and MySQL this already started, and this my project is already run. This is a run. Inside this implementation, click this delete, but delete is not working as it is only same here. And inside this is a search filter is a implementation. First of all, this file is open. This file, first of all, let's this route, same name is a copy route. This my project is available, this project same directory inside this htdoc directory, and this project is inside this is a run. Same URL is a copy route inside web.php open successfully. This is available. Let's this is available successfully. Let's class controller inside this index function is available. Class controller inside this index function is available. This index function is open. This is a class, this is available index function. This is a index function. Inside this is a model. Less model is open. Model, this model successfully available. This model inside this is a search filter is a implementation, and this is a record is a get. This is a table is available. This class table. This class table in the previous two videos, please check, otherwise lost of doubt is this is a join query is already implementation. This is a 6 record is available, and this is a 6 record is a show. All good. And inside this search filter is a implementation. Search start search end search save file successfully available save file. And this is a inside this is a implementation. This class inside this list file, resource view admin class, and this is a list file. And this is a search bar is a implementation inside this search. Inside this search implement, first of all, this is a student index file is open, and this is the same name copy and close this, and inside this paste here, successfully paste here and working fine. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a show. This is a search filter is a show, but this URL is a copy, and inside this reset button inside this paste here. This is a step by step working fine. Let's click this inside this number and click this reset, working blank. First of all, this is ID is the same. Second is a subject name. First of all, this is ID. Second is available name is a subject name. Subject name is a implementation. This is a subject name. Second is a subject name. Third is a implementation. Third is a subject name. Subject name inside this first is ID. Second is ID name. Let's step by step show. This is a name is a this is a subject ID, same name is a copy. This is a name is a paste here, this name, and this is a name. Save file, and this is a name. All good. Third is a implementation. This is a teacher ID, means teacher name. This is a text, and this is a teacher name. Teacher name, and tx, and this is a teacher ID, successful teacher ID. Third is the implementation. This is a start time. Inside this time speaker is a set. All good. The extra is a U implementation. I already example. This is all good. This is a start time filter is available. This is a filter. All good. This is a teacher spelling my mistending. This is a capital T. This is a T is a capital. Save file and refresh this page. Working fine. This is a working fine. Please step by step write down. This is the first is ID. Second is a this is a name is a teacher subject ID. Third is a this is a name is available teacher ID, and fourth is available start time. This is all database name is a implementation. This is a name field via this name, same here name is a implementation. Let's same name is this fill up data inside this teacher name, this fill up, and this is a time is a fill up, this is any time. Let's fill up and search the 100% inside. This is available. This is ID, subject ID, teacher ID, and start time successfully available, all good. And this is a record is a search. Please write down search inside. This is the implementation get record function inside this implementation. Let's use request and close this. Inside this is a start. First of all, this is if is empty, request get ID. Get ID, this ID. This is ID is available, this ID. Return same name, copy, return $return is equal to again $return where this is a class dot id is equal to this is a request get $id. Save file. Successfully first filter is a implementation. Let's click this reset button. This is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8. Click this search and this is a no available. Let's 5 number is a search, 100% is a 5 is a available. 6 is a implementation. This is a successfully 1 and 3 number is a implementation. Successfully third number is a available, all good. Inside this 10 number is a not available, so let's implementation search. Successfully 10 is a not available, good working. Let's next is the same here subject name. If is empty, request get subject name. This is our name is available, subject ID same name, subject ID, and this is a subject ID inside $return is equal to $return where this is a name is available, subject name, subject dot name like is a set like percentage dot again percentage, and this is a close request get, and this is a get, and inside this is the implementation subject ID. Successfully subject ID is a implementation, all good. This is a search. Let's search, refresh this page, search, and same name is a copy and refresh this page. Only 2 record is a show. This is a 2 record, not a extra record. Let's search and 100% 2 record is a show, good working. Let's under extra is a number is a add, and this is a not available. This is a good working. This is a math is a select, only search, so this is only math, all good. Inside this implementation only 4 number and search, so this is only 4 search, working fine. This is only 4 math, good working. Second is implement, third is implementation teacher, same name, copy, paste here, and this is teacher available, teacher, this is a name, teacher ID same name, copy and paste here, and this is a table name is available, teacher table name, all good. Successfully this is a working fine. Let's refresh this page, and this is a teacher, is a Mohiti and search, and successfully working fine. Let's do Mohiti. Inside this is a name is a search, So this is only one Mohiti. All good. Let's inside this is source and this is not available. Record not found and this is not available. Math and source, the 100% available. This is a phone number. Math and click this reset. So this is available. All good. Let's different word is the implementation A and source and this is not available. Last filter is the implementation date filter. Same name copy and paste here, and this is the same name is a class ID, and this is a table name is set, and this is a time all good. Save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is anytime is implementation, this time is a source, and this is a not available, this time is a not available. Let's this not available. Let's same time is the implementation 2:17 p.m. This time is the implementation, and this 2 record and source 100% 2 record is available. This different time is set and source not available. This is a date picker is working fine. This is all successfully working. Please write down step by step, and this is a join table is available. Join table previous video, please check this join table is available, and this is the implementation. All good. Next is inside this is available. This is a delete button is available. This delete button is available, and this is a command. Save file and refresh this page, and this is 100% is a command not working. Let's implementation save and refresh this page successfully available. Let's same name URL is a copy, and this is a paste here URL paste here, delete dot, this is the ID is available. This is the ID, same name copy and paste here. Save file and refresh this page and click this, and successfully available 5 number. All good. This 5 number, this 5 number is available. Third is available. This 3 number is edit successfully 3 number. Let's route inside web.php, open file, route inside this is available web.php. Let this route, and method is a get method, paste here, and this is a dynamic ID. Class delete, save file, same name copy, and this is a new function is a create public function, and paste here and $ID. This is $ID, return redirect back with success record successfully delete. Save form, and the success message is available inside. This is already message file is include message, and this is the include message. This file is inside this. Please write down, and this is available success message. All good. This file is included this button inside. This is included this top bar. This is a table name is the same name is a copy and paste here. Only this is a delete and save file. Successfully file is a save. Let's back button, click this and refresh this page. Inside this 1 2 3 4 5 6, this record is inside this show this good working this 6 number. Let's inside this 4 number is a remove. Let's click this delete, and successfully 4 number record successfully delete. 1 2 3 4 is a remove, 5 and 6 available. Let's refresh this page, and this is a 4 is a remove, but inside this alert is a not a show. Let's alert is a implementation. This open inside this is a one click alert is a set. One click alert is a show. Only simple way in this is a write down. This is a please write down this delete. This is a one click is a available delete record. Are you sure want to delete? Save file, and this is only simple way. Let's refresh this page and click this file number. Successfully sure. Are you sure want to delete? Cancel is a not a delete. This is as it is a working, not a delete. Only this is a yes. Okay, successfully remove. This is a working fine. This file number is a remove, and refresh this page. Successfully 100% is a file number is a remove. Last is a 6 number is a remove, and cancel is a not remove. Okay is a remove. All good. This message is a shown. This is a record is a 1 2 3, and 5 is a not available. All good. This is a working done. Please write down this simple way. This is all step by step. Write down. This is a model is a this table name is a class table is a available. This is a class table. This class table is a inside. This is a including this class teacher, subject and teacher. This is all included. This is a working fine. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website error solution code. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. A lot of project is available and very small price. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you.